So today I'm going to be telling you how to recreate this TikTok trend. I'm going to be telling you how to do this inside Adobe After Effects. And this effect is not that hard. Believe me, you can do that. Just follow the steps given in this video. So now without any further ado, let's go to our computer screen and let me tell you how to create this effect. So first let's talk about the clips you need. So the first clip should be of you acting to shoot the spider web. Disclaimer, keep your camera properly or it will fall just like mine. The second clip should be like you are catching your smartphone or your camera and here's an example. The clip should be like this. Now these are the two clips you have to shoot. And the third clip is a green screen of the web and you will get that in the description box. I will provide you the link. Now inside Adobe After Effects, import your first clip in the timeline and then the second clip. Now adjust them with each other. And now when you will play it, you will get that effect. Many people upload it just like this, but we also need the web. So for that, import that green screen clip above those two clips. Now after adding it, go to Effects and Presets and search for Keylight 1.2. After doing that, import that to that green screen clip and then from the dropper choose the green color. And now you can see that green color is removed. Now adjust that green screen clip when you are trying to shoot the web. Like you can scroll through your timeline and you can see when you want the web to come out. So you have to adjust that green screen clip just like that. Now after adjusting that, you can see it's looking pretty cool, and you can also just make it bigger in size, and you can also rotate that as you're liking, like how your video is. So I'm adjusting it as my video is. Now you can see it's looking very good, and like you can upload it, but we will do it to the next level. Now what you need to do is click on that green screen clip. Now press P on your keyboard and choose the point where the web is start to, when the web is coming from your hand. At that point, what you need to do is press the stopwatch and make a keyframe. Then you have to just go 1 or 2 frame further, and then you need to adjust that frame by frame. Do it frame by frame and then you will get the result. Now you can add many things to spice it up, but you can do it yourself. It's just a tutorial for the web shooter effect, but now you can color grade it and you can also add fake handheld movement if needed. So now let's see the result. So that's it. I hope it helped you, and if it, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want me to keep uploading videos like this, then just subscribe my channel to support me, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.